Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to log in to Squareup Business. To log into your Squareup Business account, first of all, open up a web browser. You can also go ahead and open the Square Point of Sale application on your mobile device as well. Once you open up your web browser, go to the URL box and type in squareup.com and search. Now from the main home page, click sign in at the top right corner. You will now end up in the sign in page where you'll need to simply sign in to your Squareup account by entering your email address or your phone number. Enter your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password, you can click on the forgot password link and follow through the instructions till the end. After typing in your password, click sign in and you will be able to sign in to your Squareup Business account in just a couple of steps. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.